Hello everyone, welcome back to all computer classes. Students, this is chapter 1 Microsoft Word, and in this chapter we will be learning about organization charts, header, footer and creating table, right? So this is the entire chapter, but today we will be focusing on organization charts, right? So you will be writing in your copy as well as try it out practically, right? Let's get started. So organization chart is a diagram. It is an organizational chart is a diagram that shows the structure of an organization. So it is a diagram, right? Where we will draw it? We will draw this diagram in MS Word. What it will show? It will show the structure of an organization and the relationships and relative ranks of its part. A rank means who is at the top, who is at the middle and who is at the bottom, right? So this is organization chart. I hope you are clear with this. Now how we will draw it? We will be drawing it using the Smart Art tool, right? So Smart Art tool will be used for drawing an organization chart, right? So let's move ahead. Steps to create an organization chart. So how we will create? We will open MS Word. In the MS Word, we will go in the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, we will go in Illustrations group, and there in the Illustration group, we will find a Smart Art tool, right? The moment you will click on Smart Art tool, you will get to see this window, right? So I'll show you everything practically. Just wait for a few minutes. Now this is a diagram. The same diagram we will be drawing, and you also will be trying it out at your home. Now you see this is a hierarchical structure. Hierarchical structure tells the hierarchy. Hierarchy means who is at the top, who is at the middle, who is at the bottom, right? And how they are related. So principal is directly related to vice principal, and vice principal is related to HODs, right? And then so on, right? So this is a organization chart. Now we will learn practically how to draw the organization charts. So this is your MS Word, right? In the MS Word, we will go in the Insert tab. This is Home tab, this is Insert tab. The third group, first one is Pages, second is Tables, third is Illustration. So Insert tab, Illustration group. And in the Illustration group, we have fourth tool. This is a Smart Art tool. Students, you must draw this Smart Art tool in your copy. So just click on this Smart Art tool, you will get to see this window, right? So we draw hierarchical structure. So I'll click on it. The moment you will select the hierarchical structure, it will be highlighted with yellow border. Now click OK. So this is your organization chart. Now it is not looking as we have drawn in the presentation, right? ये वैसा दिख ही नहीं रहा जैसा हमने देखा था पहले. तो अब हम इसको वैसा बना देंगे. कैसे बनाएंगे? First of all, we will write inside it. So we will write principal, vice principal, HOD, English, HOD English. Now Hindi, maths. Now student, if we want to add one more box, what we will do? We will select the last box. Now how we will select? Just click over it. Now you see there is a boundary outside it. It means this box is selected. Now we want to add a box after this box. So the moment you will click here, select the box, you will get to see create graphics option here. So the first one, the very first one is add shapes. So here you have drop down menu, a small arrow. Click over it and add shape after. So one more shape is added. So here we will write HOD computer. right? Now our diagram is nearly same but not exactly same, right? Now just click over the diagram, you will get to see a design tab. Here in the design tab we have change color option. Now I'll choose some color from here, right? I can choose this also. Here we have smart art styles, so from here we can choose the styles, right? So this is how we can draw an organization chart. Students, I hope you are clear with this. You might have find it very easy and interesting, right? So let's move back. Now let's practice now. Fill in the blanks. And dash shows a hierarchy of an organization system. So organization chart shows the hierarchy of an organization system, right? And smart art tool is available. Smart art tool कहाँ मिलता है? ये मिलता है insert tab में. It is finding, you will find it in insert tab and in illustrations group, right? So students, you must write the definition of organization chart and write this much steps to create, this much only. Don't draw this diagram, and then draw this diagram if you want to, and write down these two fill-ups, right? So see you in the next video with header and footers, right? Till then, take care, goodbye, and God bless you all.